You may have seen the gorgeous landing page sets we've released and wondered, how do these work? How can I use these on my site? In this video, we'll cover the different ways you can use a landing page set. You can use them for your marketing funnels, as your home page, for your theme pages, and as your overall design language. Sound good? Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to cover is the difference between a pre-designed Thrive Theme Builder theme, such as Shapeshift, and a landing page set. So a Thrive Theme Builder theme is meant to take care of everything a normal WordPress theme would, but our themes, such as Shapeshift, give you so much more flexibility. So you can easily create a custom design for your website header and footer, your blog list page, the layout for a single blog post, your archive pages, and your 404 page. Now, these are all typical website pages. In addition, a Thrive Theme Builder theme can provide the design for your WooCommerce shop, so you can also design your shop, product, and checkout pages. You can design gorgeous landing pages for your home page and silo pages. And the theme also covers blocks that can be used on your theme pages and landing pages. Now, a landing page set, these pages already have content on the page, and you'll see when you access these pre-built landing page sets, such as Hydrogen, that they're even named according to how they are intended to be used. So for example, here we have a home page, and I'll show you how to set this up as your home page in just a moment. You also have an upsell page, you have a confirmation page, you have a thank you and download page, a course launch page, a webinar sign up page, webinar thank you page. You also have a lead generation page, video sales page, and a regular sales page. So using these pages, it's very easy to put together marketing funnels and other pages that may not necessarily be part of your main website. But you don't have to use these pages for the function they're specified for. You can absolutely adapt these pages for whatever you like, and you can use them with your Thrive Theme Builder templates, so that's what we're going to go over today. But before we go into that, I think the easiest way to explain what does what in terms of theme versus landing pages is to quickly run through the process of setting up a website. So let's start with a Thrive Theme Builder site wizard. So let's choose a logo. I've already got one uploaded, so I'll choose that. Let's select a main brand color. I've already got a hex code written down, so I'll just type that in. You can choose a header. Let's choose this one. You can select a footer. I like plain footers, so let's go with this one. For our home page, let's choose from some ready-made home pages. This one looks pretty good. For the single blog post, let's see what the options are. And let's go ahead and change that to the title banner without sidebar. Now let's choose a blog post list. This one looks pretty good. And as for menus, I'll just continue without choosing a menu. All right, so the wizard is complete. So now that we've gone through these steps, we've basically set up the theme for our entire website. But before we take a look at what we've created, let's also go to the Thrive dashboard. And let's go to the Smart Site Smart Settings. And this is where you can enter in things like your company information and social media info so that you can just enter them here once and they'll automatically populate when you choose certain Thrive Themes templates. Now, as for the legal pages, you'll need to go ahead and set those up first, and then come back here and insert those links. Now let's head back to Thrive Theme Builder. So let's go to the Thrive dashboard and Thrive Theme Builder. Make sure you're in the Templates tab. And here you've got your home page template, you've got your default post template, your default page template. If you have other types of blog posts, such as a video post for your YouTube channel, or you have an audio blog for your podcast, there are different types of templates for those as well. You do have an Error 404 page template, and you have a default blog list template, and you have a default archive template for things like your blog post categories. To edit any of these templates, simply click on the Edit button. And if you edit any of these templates and realize, oh boy, I need to start over, simply click on the three-dot menu and click the Reset button, and that will reset the page to what it looked like right out of the box. Now, the items with the blue and green banners, those are the default templates that are in use on your site. If you'd like to see all of the available templates, simply click on the drop-down at the top of the page and go to All Templates. And now you'll see all of the templates that are available for your entire website. Next, I'll very quickly show you how to make changes to the header for your website. So just go to the Active Homepage template and click Edit Landing Page. And then click inside the header container, and then you'll select Edit Header. And you can edit any of these menu items by simply clicking on one of them and just start typing. And then to select where this link goes, you can go to the Menu Options tab on the left, go to the target URL, and start typing the name of the page. And that should pop up, and you can select it. Now let's see what our website looks like. So we've got a home page. It looks pretty nice. We have a blog list page. And if we click on one of these posts, we'll see our blog post. And we also have an About page that just has some dummy text in it for now. And we also have a Contact page that just has nothing in it at the moment. Now, what if you want more from your website? What if you want to grow your email list, offer free downloads, or sell online courses? What you'll need is a page specifically geared toward whatever that goal is, because oftentimes you don't really want the landing page for your free lead magnet to have the same header and sidebar as the rest of your website. You want that landing page to be optimized for conversions, and that usually means getting rid of distractions. And then in addition to a landing page, you'll also need a thank you page. And if you're selling a course or ebook, you will need a sales page. So this is what landing page sets are for. They're ideal for setting up marketing funnels, and they are super easy to use. So let's say I'd like to set up a landing page for my email list opt-in, and I'm offering a free cheat sheet. So let's start by creating a new page. Let's give the page a name. I'll go ahead and publish it, and I'll launch Thrive Architect. Then I'll choose Pre-Built Landing Page, and I'll choose one of these sets that I think looks nice. So let's choose Hydrogen Smart. And let's use the lead generation page. And now you can go in and customize the page however you like. Handy tip: to quickly change the main accent color for a pre-built landing page, you can simply go to the Central Style panel in the right sidebar. Under Main Accent, you can then choose a new color. And then you'll see that will affect many of the elements on the page. And to quickly change all of the fonts for a pre-built landing page, you can simply go to the Page Settings and then go to the Typography tab and click Edit Landing Page Typography. And when you get to this page, all of the elements will be selected. So if you leave all of them selected, you can change the fonts for everything all at once, or you can select one line in, for example, and just change all of the headings all at once. Or, of course, you can select each individual heading and edit those one at a time. After you're finished customizing this initial page, you can repeat these steps for the rest of the pages in your funnel, such as the thank you page. So now I have a funnel that looks like this. We have a landing page and we have a confirmation page. So that was an overview of what your theme is used for and how to use landing page sets for your marketing funnels. Now, if you really like one of the designs from one of the landing page sets and you want to use it as your main homepage for your site, you can absolutely do that. In Thrive Theme Builder, you'll go to the Templates tab, and then under Active Homepage, go to Edit Landing Page, and then go to the Change Template button in the right sidebar, and then click Pre-Built Landing Page. And then you can choose a home page from a set that you like. So I'll go to the Hydrogen Smart set and I'll choose the home page. And now you can choose a new color that will match the theme color you picked in the site wizard. So I'll go to the Central Style panel, I'll click the main accent color, and I'll just change this to my chosen color. And you can see that changed all of the accents on the page. You can also change the landing page typography by going to the Page Settings and going to the Typography tab and then click Edit Landing Page Typography. Now, if you decide to use a pre-built landing page as a home page, well, what about your other pages, such as your About page or your Contact page? You'll definitely want those pages to have the same design language as your home page. So this is actually super simple to do. I'd like to show you the difference between choosing your theme option and choosing a pre-built landing page. So let's start by creating a new page. Let's give this a title, and I'll publish it. And let's launch Thrive Architect. Now, if you choose the theme option, which is the option on the left, this page will use the header, footer, sidebar, etc. that you set up in the site wizard. Of course, you can turn off certain sections if you like, but what's important to note is that if you use this theme option, the blocks will match your theme builder theme, which in this case is Shapeshift. So I'll add just a few blocks here so you can see how that looks. So here's the thing, if you use a landing page set for your home page, you'll probably want the other pages on your website to match, right? So let's create another About page. Let's go ahead and publish that, and I'll launch Thrive Architect. So now let's choose a pre-built landing page, and let's choose the same set that we used for the home page, and that was the Hydrogen Smart set. So now I'll go ahead and I will choose the blank page from this Hydrogen set. And now if I add blocks to this page, they will match the Hydrogen set and they will also match the home page. Now you may have noticed that this page doesn't have a header or a footer. So you can simply go up to the Page Settings, and then under Main Options, you can simply turn on the I for the header. You can also turn on the top section, and I'll go ahead and turn on the footer. And you may also need to change the main accent color. So you can go to the Central Style panel, choose a new main accent color. And if you've chosen new fonts for the rest of your website, you can also go to the Page Settings and then the Typography tab and Edit Landing Page Typography to change the typography for this specific page. Now that you have your home page and your website pages in the style of the landing page set that you like, you might want to adjust things like your blog post list and your blog post layout, etc. to match that design. And because of the flexibility of Thrive Theme Builder, you can actually do that. Now it does require a bit more work, which is why we provide the fully designed themes, but it is 100% possible. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to edit the default blog template in Thrive Theme Builder, and you can use these same techniques for the other templates that you might want to edit. So what you'll actually need to do is create a test page that you won't publish. So I'll just click Add New, and I'll just say Test. And I don't need to publish that, but I'll just click Save Draft, and let's launch Thrive Architect. So now I'll go to Pre-Built Landing Page, and then I'll go to Hydrogen Smart, and now I'll go to a blank page. Now what you can do is add blocks that you like. So let's click the Add a Block button, and let's look for a block to replace the author information at the bottom of the blog post template. This one looks pretty good, so I'll select that one. Now, this doesn't really match our theme colors, so I'll just go to the Central Style panel, and I'll choose a different main accent color. And now what I need to do is save this as a template. So making sure that the entire block is highlighted right here in the breadcrumbs, I'll go to the Save Template button, which is the second from the left. And let's go ahead and give our template a name. And I'll click Save New Template. So you can go ahead and repeat this process for any of the blocks you like and want to insert on any of your theme builder templates. So let's say that you want to insert a new lead generation block. So let's go ahead and add a new block, and let's look for a nice lead generation block. This one looks pretty good. So again, this is just a test page, so it doesn't really matter that it's right underneath the first block that we created, but you can see that it used the main accent color that we just specified. So that's perfect. Let's go ahead and save this as a template. Now I'll just click Save New Template. So now we can head back to Thrive Theme Builder, go to the Templates tab, and let's go to our default post template, and let's click the Edit button. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the page, and what we want to get rid of is this author block here, so I'll just get rid of this. And now let's add in the template we just created. So I'll go to the Add Element button, and let's search for Templates and Symbols, and I'll just drag that in. And let's select our template. So now we just need to make the elements within this block dynamic. So let's add in a dynamic author image. Now, if you have multiple people writing articles for your website and they each have their own user account, then this image will change automatically based on who the author is. And you can see that this image is slightly off center. We can fix that by going to the Layout and Position tab. Next, let's add in a dynamic author name. So let's go to the Add Element button again. Let's look for the author name and let's drag that in. And let's get rid of the old one. Next, let's add in dynamic author social links. So let's go to the Add Element button once again. Let's look for author social links and let's drag that in. We can get rid of these links. We can adjust this column. If you'd like to change the style of the author social links, you can simply click on them and then go to Main Options and choose a new style. Now, where are these social links being pulled from? They are actually set up in each individual user's WordPress profile. So the final thing for this block is to make the author bio dynamic as well. So let's get rid of this dummy text. So making sure that the text element is highlighted in the breadcrumbs, you can go to the stack of coins and under dynamic text, let's select post, and under select an option, we'll select author bio. All right, so next let's add the call to action block that we saved, and let's add that to the bottom of our blog post template. So we'll need to get rid of this right here. Again, let's add in a template. I'll just select the lead generation template we created. And there we have it. So that was only 2 elements on the page, but hopefully you can see how you can take elements from landing page sets and place them in your theme builder templates. All right, so that's how to use smart landing page sets with Thrive Theme Builder. If you don't have Thrive Suite yet, be sure to grab it today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.